Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making mac and cheese. So I'm gonna put right here. Okay, wait. Gotta find a spot right here. Okay, so no, you can't fit there. I'm gonna have to put just. I'm gonna put that here. Okay, so first we're gonna go be grabbing our mac and cheese. Let me go grab mine. I got my mac and cheese. I made mac and cheese before, so I know. But it looked